Introducing the JMGO 01 Pro FHD Ultra Short Throw Projector. It lets you get closer for a bigger view. Close. Closer. More closer. You'll get an incredible large screen of up to 100 inches. JMGO 01 Pro is co-engineered with Leica, co-created with Dyne Audio for superior sound, and is built around an industry-leading processing chip. JMGO 01 Pro achieves its crystal clear image by collaborating with Leica in the development and optimization of the optical engine design. Leica's engineers refined the lens design to perform better by increasing light transmittance, reducing stray light and improving the projection brightness to 1250 ANSI. Leica's professional auto image correction and image distortion control further reduce the telecentricity during imaging by 25%. In image processing, Leica greatly improves the viewing experience, including immersive and vibrant colors, noise reduction, sharpness, and dynamic contrast. The Zero Perception Intelligent System offers auto keystone correction that accurately corrects the unevenness of the projection. O1 Pro intelligently detects the wall color temperature, retaining the original colors of your movie. With simple gestures, you can easily control the volume or speed. Not impressed yet? O1 Pro's AI back camera auto-adjusts the brightness, enables the best image projection even under strong light. O1 Pro is more than just a projector.
Fires glow, sparks flying through my heart, and
it's always ready to uplift the ambiance in your place.
Top-down destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I'll wait for you.
You can also make O1 Pro your personal assistant. Set me a meeting reminder for tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
California.
Introducing ilumee. Ilumee Ultra Short Throw LED Projector has the world's shortest throw rate, giving you 4K ultra high definition image up to mind-blowing 150-inch huge display. Ilumee 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector has the ultimate wide-angle lens, letting you place it just 4.3 inches from the wall and filling a screen as large as 100 inches, so close to the wall that nothing can come between. You can say goodbye to annoying interruptions of shadow. Ilumee Projector takes the lead in the industry by boasting the shortest throw rate of 0.2 to 1, while the standard among competitors ranges from 1.5 to 1.9 to 1. Ilumee bring the vivid, true colors you see every day to life by ensuring that the color brightness matches the white light brightness in lumens. With the help of high dynamic range imaging technology, and 8.3 million pixels deliver awe-inspiring image quality with crisply defined details and incredible clarity. Denoising, gamma correction, color calibration, and enhanced color gamut coverage have been applied in Ilumee to emit a picture that's bright, detailed, and color accurate. Ilumee creates hi-fi stereo audio, which is as good as 5.1 surround sound system, giving you an immersive experience when you enjoy films, games, and sporting events. Better than the blue light exposure from traditional LCD screen, which could hurt your eyes. You receive soft, natural, and healthy reflected light from Ilumee, which won't strain your eyes even when binge watching. Ilumee has 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, built-in Wi-Fi capability, and Ethernet input, so it is universally compatible. Ilumee. Watch the world in a new way.
Get ready for a cinematic breakthrough in the world of TV and projectors. Introducing the world's most powerful 4K projector, capable of delivering a massive 150-inch picture. The ultra-short throw technology brings true 4K experience to transform the way you watch TV. We used ALPD 3.0 technology to double light efficiency, create superior color, and highest brightness out there. ALPD 3.0 is the same technology used in top movie theaters around the world, which means you get gigantic movie theater experience in your own home. 4K resolution with HDR10 brings you a new level of definition. Blacks are deeper, whites are brighter. VAVA extends the limits of imagination and takes you further than ever before. Enjoy mind-blowing sound quality with a built-in soundbar from Harman Kardon. That's 3 times more powerful than a standard TV. The VAVA laser projector combines the most advanced features of the latest TVs and projectors while solving the pain points of both. Let's start with the size. Current TVs can reach around 75 inches. VAVA laser projector projects up to 150 inches 4K image, which is 4 times the size. In the past, you could not walk in front of the projector. It created shadows. Also, professional installations are expensive. VAVA's ultra-short throw floor mat means the projector sits straight against the wall, delivering a cleaner look and saving you costs on mounting and installation. Traditional projectors require expensive bulb replacements. VAVA uses laser technology which lasts 25,000 hours. This is up to 10 times longer than regular projector bulbs, which means you won't ever have to change bulbs again, ever. Let's talk safety. When you're watching TV, you're getting thousands of lights beamed straight into your eyes. With the VAVA projector, the image is reflected off a surface, significantly reducing eye strain.
No other projector or TV combines all the benefits of a 150-inch 4K picture screen and an ultra-short throw laser projection at the price of a standard 82-inch TV.
The VAVA projector will change the understanding of what's possible in the movie screening world.
We've done all the research and design, and we have a working prototype. Help us get it to the mass production and make the VAVA projector available to everyone. Thank you.
The VAVA Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. It's time to bring the theater home.
With Samsung's latest innovation, you can bring the magic of cinema into your home. The Premier Laser Projector gives you a brilliant 130-inch picture without a screen. It's just the walls.
Sorry, who are you?
It's just so simple, you can move it around the house.
Excuse me.
Go.
Movie time. The apps are already built in, so you can stream your favourite films and TV. Okay, movie time over.
Oh, what?
Just eat your chips.
Your mum's weird. That's not our mum.
With 4K resolution, these nerds can do this for hours. Sorry guys, game over.
Excuse me. Could you leave our house, please?
Sure. Create your own private cinema with the Premiere from Samsung. Oh. Okay, well, enjoy your night.
Es hora de repensar la cinema. Y para el caso, tus paredes. Presentamos la Cinema Hisense Laser 4K inteligente de 100 pulgadas. La experiencia de alta resolución con 4K, junto con el alto rendimiento de movimiento, significa que los deportes y las películas cobran vida en la pantalla grande. Laser Cinema 4K inteligente de Hisense te atraerá con colores vivos y expansivos. Entretenimiento con calidad de cine disponible en cualquier habitación de su hogar. Sonido incorporado provisto por Harman Kardon. Incluye un subwoofer conectado de forma inalámbrica, ofrece simplicidad y una experiencia realista de sonido teatral. Con Wi-Fi inalámbrico integrado, los cortadores de cordón disfrutarán la simplicidad de usar todas las aplicaciones integradas. Acceso rápido y fácil al alcance de su mano. La elegante consola se encuentra a solo centímetros de la pared, mostrando el contenido con precisión láser en la pantalla y con una calidad de imagen 4K impresionante. La Cinema nunca se ha visto así de increíble.